Hi guys, my name is Roger and in today's video I'm going to play with a sampler of the SP-808. I'm going to use a keyboard and a sequencer. Why the sequencer? Because the SP-808 has a sequencer, but the problem with the sequencer is that it can't loop. So this means you have to create a complete song to play with it. What I'm going to show you is how to use the sampler of the SP-808 with the keyboard and the MC50. So here we go. To play with samples on your MIDI keyboard, you need to match the MIDI channel on your SP-808 and on your keyboard. So what we do, we go to System, Disk, we set MIDI parameters, and we put the receive channel on channel 8 in this case. This means receiving incoming MIDI information on the SP-808. Channel 8. I've created some samples. And we're going to play with these samples on the keyboard. The pads of the SP-808 are not velocity sensitive. But when you connect your keyboard, the samples become velocity sensitive. So I go now to my keyboard and then you will hear, for example, this sample with different velocities. So this means you can play with the sounds. I'll show it here also. This is my MIDI keyboard, is on channel 8 like the SP-808. So it's now velocity sensitive. Important to know is that the sample is not spread on the keyboard. So you can't play different notes. No, it's only playing the sample from the SP-808. So this is sample pad number 1, 2, 3, 4. 5 and so on. I am now going to show you how to record a loop sample in step time. I go to step time, I choose record, I want to have it on track number 8. Because it's a loop, I have to change this to 2 notes. Well, the problem is, this is 2 counts, but the loop is 8 counts. So what I have to do now, I press on the keyboard the sample, and now I have to count. This means only 2 counts, 1, 2. We need 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We do this with tie. We already have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So if we stop now, then the first 2 measures, it should be this sample. Let's see. We're going to copy that one. I go 10, copy song 1, which track? Track number 8. Track number 8. I want to replace it, yes. Measure 1, 4, how many? 4, in this case, 2 measures. Starting on 3, enter. How many times? 1 time. Record, yes. So now we have 1, 2, 3, 4 times the loop. The MC50 can loop with shift play. So this means I don't have to use the sequencer of the SP-808, which is so much comfortable. I've pre-recorded some tracks, so I will show you. I played with the keyboard like this. of the SP-808 and continuous loop without using the sequencer of the SP-808. So thank you, and we see each other next time. Bye bye.